Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlaziya. Guys, let's just check out the highlights on Senzo Meyiwa's trial. No, kubuhlungu kona and all, but we never get our way, Tina, as defense. Have you seen how we struggle? Oh my gosh, it's like a struggle. I'm just like, why? Why? Urata just was not understanding. He was just not understanding. Ukuthi why? Oh, until he saw ukuthi, you know what, la ngizozenza isilima, I must just agree for this guy to go, Umthobisi Ncube, to go to the for actually a dental exam, because it's a problem. And Umnisi, you know what I loved about him? He made that rain. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini wayenza. Emini ngapha kwanetha in that court, and he wasn't screaming. It was just so crazy. And especially after time, Dr. Ronnie Sibanda, no, there's no need, eh? My lord, there's really no need for him to go Umncube, accused number 3, and go for this dental exam. There's really no need for that. Actually, Nanganje Umabasa is sitting here. Warrant office. There's no need. Advocate Simnis can just ask him anything he wants to ask him. I was just like, no, it's not gonna work with us. Why must it be always your way? Can we just get our way not today? Just for once, Sky One, we won. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, what has just happened? Ubalo was finished. He was so down. He didn't know what to do. He was just like, what? At some stage, Umnis was speaking to him. I know this is what's gonna go down. I can see him speaking to him. I even have a picture of them. I'm just like, what? Bekulumanje, that whole thing, it's okay. This is what's gonna happen on Thursday. We're coming back. We're going to now finalize. It was done. Because when you look at it though, it's the end of the state. This will actually end them. Uzovuka something now. Ubeyitshela ukuthi uzovuka ngomabasa noNdlovu, and he won't. It's not gonna happen. The defense, guys, is very smart. Eh? Do you hear Uzithulele Nxumalo talking? Hey, Uzithulele doesn't even say a lot of words, but he knows exactly what he's talking about. Because all 4 of them, it defense will push him. No. Section 35. Ungababuka nje lo accused about 5 ucabanga ukuthi they slow coaches. Those people know their stuff, and they know the fact that they're not supposed to be there. Like what must happen? There was a time when Tansi Babekulumana, Asangmazi. I might have heard about him, and chances are Senzo Meyiwa was not even his favorite player. Like, you understand my point? But you are forced. Why, guys? Why? One person was later. He gatekeeper. I don't want to be mentioning this person's name every day. It is so exhausting. But this person messed up with people's lives. These people were breadwinners in Magubu. We know our figure changed their lives completely. They've been in jail for 5 years. Literally. Because of you. Manje mesenbanjwa ngala manga, because guys, you know amanga, they are so crazy. Anenyawi mfishane uvele nje ubanjwe. They will catch up with you. Bengasazurona ukuthi enze njani. And ngibonile ukuthi yabo Advocate George Baloyi was like, hey, please handle this one. Oba handle nje labo bawuthi uNdlovu no Mabasa. Can I just sit down now for a while? He was finished on the chair. I saw him. He was done. He was just like, what has just happened now? How could Urata do me dirty like this? I did him dirty. I wasn't screaming. I know, it's fine. Bazama, it's some stage clever on the side. Well, Umnisi was going to speak to accused number 3. Behlanganisa nje into engahlangani. Bethi uyakhumbula nobani bani naye wayenayo iGold Tooth. I'm just like, how is it even going to help this case right now? You know? And they like bringing up stuff that has nothing to do with anything. Umnisi was like, I'm going to show them. Scream. I'm not even going to scream and grass. Just want what I want. And it's going to happen. Jacket, or should I say the gown? Doctor. Next. We won. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, what? Can we just go for the dental exam? Go, it's like vele vina angazi keeping equal to. So what has happened now? Young Foster. We even say I had gold teeth in my left quadrant. Why? It's the end of the road for the states. Like I said, guys, they always trying to come back in some way. Gizobuya. I'm coming back. It's in the movies la. Look 2 season 1, season 2, season 3. It's crazy things. You done. Stop. Move on.